In this video, I'll show you how to protect your IP address on WhatsApp Android. Begin first by opening up your WhatsApp application. My WhatsApp app is on my home screen, so I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once you've done that, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right hand corner and then tap on Settings. In Settings, look for Privacy and tap on it. Scroll down to the very bottom until you see Advanced. Tap on Advanced. In your advanced settings on WhatsApp, we're going to pay attention to two settings. The first setting is Protect IP address in calls. We're going to toggle this on. This will make it harder for people to infer your location. Calls on this device will be securely relayed through WhatsApp servers. This will reduce call quality, so keep that in mind. Your call quality will be reduced if you're using Protect IP address in calls. If you're okay with that, leave it toggled on. The second option in advanced settings that we need to toggle on is Disable Link Previews. So I'm just going to tap on the toggle to toggle that on. This will help protect your IP address from being inferred by third-party websites. Previews for links you share in chats will no longer be generated. Also keep this in mind. If you like your link previews when sending messages or receiving messages with link previews, you'll no longer be able to see those. So just keep that in mind when you toggle this toggle on. With these two advanced settings options toggled on, you're now protecting your IP address. And you're done. That concludes the video on how to protect your IP address on WhatsApp Android. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?